So now, same concept, so someone coming in from the side. So if you're throwing a left hand straight towards me, like a straight left hand here, I'm gonna use the side slash again. We're gonna use it as a latch movement now. So once again, coming from the left hand, coming from this side. Yeah. So now, so now you're using it as a latch. So coming here again. One more time. Yeah. So the side slash is going to do it slowly now. Side slash is coming, making contact, and then it's continuing. See how my body's turning to face him, and it continues on that same path. I use like a fuxiao type grab like this to pull him to a strike, yeah? So slowly again from here. Yeah. Okay?
So you have to turn your hips.
Yeah, turn the whole body. Think of just turning your whole body to face them, and that will take care of that. But yeah, the more we practice Chum Q, the more we'll get into the using of the center to turn and whatnot. But we'll get into that. Actually, that's going to be coming in the next few months anyway. So yeah, just keep centered as the strike comes in towards you. Make contact with it just like you were making it then. If you're going too much, make contact just like you were doing the last exercise. Just enough to get him off the center. Then use it as a latch. A latch and strike at the same time. When you're latching, be sure not to over latch. And see how I'm bringing my hand too far down here, yeah? Now I've opened myself up a lot if this guy's good with his right hand here. Whereas if I latch just enough, then I've still got this hand here to bring it up for defense. All right, have a go. Side slash latch strike.
I go punch.
Yeah. So you're the Wing Chun guy? Yeah. Yeah. Slow down, start slow. Just for the technique, yeah?
Oh,
yeah.
Come on, not.
Yeah. Just turn.
Okay.
Oh, good. Now what if I can come in? Just start slow. Yeah. So first thing I'd suggest is that you make sure the side slash is opening and aimed at me. So you still have that forwardness on. Yeah. And now from here you lash. Yeah. See, because if you start off with it collapsing, it's like it's pulling back at the beginning. If you're already staying this way, I can ride it into you because you already have this momentum. It's more like, so if you're coming to punch me, yeah, it's more like this. It's more opening to you. If you press on it, you feel like there's pressure back at you and it latches from there. There's always that openness. It's not, feel now it's closing here. I'm opening it at you and it's from that openness, it's spinning into the latch. So it's like you're spinning this ball here, yeah? Center, open this towards me, aim at my center. Yeah, now, yeah, and now latch. Yeah.
Settling.
You always aim at their center line, or as Delphin calls it, their center link. Ready? Center link. Yeah. Ooh, that's right.
I feel like force against force.
Yeah.
It's hurting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Bone to bone, huh?
here, strike. Yeah. Because what's at the moment is happening is this. It's a clashing. Think of it more as he comes to strike. I'm just continuing this movement.
Like
so it will hurt him, not me. So if you got to punch for the difference. So this is a clash. Yeah. And instead of that, if you had, it's like this. Yeah.
Bone to bone movement.
As opposed to. That's more like karate style. We always shear force, and we don't meet it head on. Even though it is meeting head on, I'm still moving in a different directions on contact. For example, with the chitsao, I make contact, but rather than clashing on it, I slide the force. Yeah, I shear the force. Even with the bong sao, it shears the force. Yeah, so that even a weak structure can take more pressure. So don't meet it head on. Just continue your path.
Go slow.
Slow down, Tansit. Yeah. Yeah, and I think the second thing is to make sure you're opening at him because you're kind of retracting from the beginning. Yeah, really open it up like the side slash. Yeah. Yes, yeah, that was a good one. That one wouldn't hurt.
No.
Yeah. He doesn't even wait till you're ready.
I can't. But I can't grab his arms.
Yeah. So go again. Do it again.
It's too fast.
Just once you've made contact, it's just a small, latch is enough. Yeah. You like being Japanic, eh?
Mm.
Right, you have a turn. Did you have a turn already, Japanic? Center. Keep centered. Don't run away. Center yourself.
Yeah.
Open this, and now turn your body as well. Look to me. Look to me. Yeah, that's it. Good. And keep upright. Good. Yeah, do that. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's a good movement.
Yeah, better. Good.
Oh, right. So it won't hurt. You do that? Wow.
Yeah, that
it
one.
won't
Yeah.
hurt.
See the difference there?
Yeah, it wouldn't hurt.
Yes, that's it.
Yeah. Yeah. Something can be peaceful.
Yeah. Good. Center yourself, open to him, latch and strike now, yeah? So now you've done the first part. Now, keep the turn and latch and strike. Yeah. Slowly, slowly. Yeah. Yeah, this. Turn your body. Yeah, and this, and strike, same time. Yeah. Slowly. Yeah. Keep centered. This stuff just, yeah, better. Yeah. Good. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button for me. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. We'll be happy to answer them. We're putting out martial arts, meditation, and mindset content daily for you, so be sure to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.